Okay, you guys ready? Let's read from me Unit 1 to Unit 5 first. The words over here. Just read it one time. Now you guys say pass. Puzzle. Rest. Already. Lie. Hunt. Pour. Slide. Have. Keep. Belt. Home. Diamond. Sports car. Soda. Beer. Dessert. Meat. Veg. Hall. Wild. Excuse me. Surprise. Turkey. Also. Why not? Chalk. Wall ink. Blue. Another. Directly. Ever. Symbol. Experience. Mean. Anything. Continue. Koala. Kids. Let's try an exercise here for this Unit 1 to Unit 4. Now, there are 3 words over here. We have symbols, meat, and diamond. What can you put in this case? There were some on the wall in the cave. On the wall, inside a cave. What can you see on it? And nobody knows the meaning. They don't understand what it is. So what can they write inside a cave? Yes, they have a symbol. So if you think the answer is symbols, have me to come here and write down the word for me, okay? A, B, C, and D. If you don't know what is the answer, it's alright. Choose one of the words and write down. If you think the answer is meat, yeah, you can write down meat just for, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, and 4. See, A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. Ready? Let's take out for me your marker. You have your marker? Right. Now, first one, number 1. The penguins love down the snow hills. When it goes down the hill is like a mountain. Right? So penguin, how can it go down? Number 1, go. How can penguin go down? It is a mountain, so how can it go down? It nice. Let's read together for me. I'll say sliding. Go. Excellent. Right. The first one is sliding. Okay. And then C, B, and D one's over here. Number 2. Ready? We've waited for the bus for a. Let's take a taxi, or we'll be late for the party. So we wait for some time. Which one here means some time? Number 2, gosh. Wait for some time. Oh, nice. Let's read together for me. I'll say while. Go.
While.
Say for a while. Go. For a while. Yeah, for sometimes. 3 and 1. Number 3. Ready? Let's tie our bike the tree and have a picnic here. So we have a bicycle. We tie it where? Number 3. Where do you tie the bike? Yes. Let's read together for me. I'll say by the tree. Go. Yeah. Let's say this one is the tree, right? Your bike is here. Bike. If you say next, this one cannot. You need to say next to. Into. That means your bicycle, yeah, is inside a tree. So it's not right. Number 3. Can you stand up for me? 3. Favorite yourself with me. Favorite yourself. Thanks indeed. What? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 4. Last one. During the game, you should the ball. Now, when I show you pictures like this one, and I show you a space over here, I want you to circle for me what word is it. Okay, so this guy, he made the light bulb. So what words is here do you put in here? Come and circle it for me, number 3, go. Circle it. Yes? Correct. Okay, let's read together now. Say, he invents the light bulb. Go. He invents the light bulb. Good. Invents is you making it. Nina, you're first. Oh. 3, A, B, and D. Let's come back. Let's come back. Number 3, number 3, and number 3. Come. Circle the answer fast, right? And you can sit down. Where is it? Nice, good job. Let's read together from YouTube. Say food court. Go. Food court. Now sit down. That's it. Yeah, you can eat sushi, you can eat pizza, salad, and burger. This one is a food court. Give me 1, 2, and 3. Number 4. Come. 4, 4, 4, 4. Ready? Circle for me the words fast. Where is it? TV, sit down. I'll read and say beauty salon. Go. It is for the girl. It is the beauty salon. Okay? Let's do one more. Don't worry. Go. This is how you make the bread. They are the... Okay, I give you some hint. They are the... Yes, June, sit down. These are... And now the 3 times say recipe. Go. Sit down, sit down. You have flour, right? You have salt, you have yeast, all of them, they are the recipe to make the bread. Now together say recipe. Go. Recipe. Very nice. June. Number 1. Come. 1. Ready? Where is it? Oh. Charlie and Patty sit down at the same time. Let's come back. 3 times say ladies where? Go. Yes. Right, all the ladies. Oh, wait. Come back. Let's do one more time. Go. What is it? Yes. You read for me? Yeah, it is a barber shop. This one is for the man. Right. That one is a barber shop. And see. 1, 2, and 3. Number 2. Go. The cup. It is his. There are 2 answers for this. You can choose anything that you can put in there. The cup. He wins, so he gets the. Yes, good job. TV, sit down. Read together and say the prize. Go. The prize. Yeah, he got the prize. Yes. One more. 1 student is present and 1 student is not here. So he is. One is here and 1 is not here. So he is. Nice. Good job. Read together. Say absent. Go. Sit down, sit down. Okay, this student, she comes, right? So I want to say present. Go. This one, student doesn't come. So I want to say absent. Go. All right, nice. I think I want C, right? Okay. Let's move on to the patterns in here. Now, in these units, you learn about the patterns of verb PP. Okay, I'll be going to say, has the girl eaten? Go. Has the girl eaten dinner? So this one, has she eaten dinner yet? Yes or no? No food in here, right? So she hasn't yet. So what do you say? Now I've got no. No, she hasn't eaten dinner yet. When you see the question, write down for me what is your answer in here, okay? Write down for me. You want to write down one by one? Let's do one by one, okay? Write down 3 words and then change the next one. Let's read together. So, as the, yeah, I'll say typhoon. Go. Typhoon already come. Yeah, typhoon. Has it come yet? Number 3. Come. 3 words and then change. Go. Has the typhoon already come? Okay, go back your seats. And then, okay, so I want to define yes, the typhoon. Go. Yes, the typhoon has already come. Okay, B, C, and D is smart. You can say it. Is it okay? Yeah, it's fine as well. It has already come. It has already come. Okay, that's good. Number 4. Pair here xong rồi mình gặp pair thì stop. Team A and B. Let's roll for me one. Team A. How many? 1 and 2. It's wow. You got 100 today. B. One time. C. Yeah. Change. C. A. Okay, let me see. 1, 1. 28. 28. Now, number 1. Ready? Oh, let's do the next one here. I want to read when I say, Mom bought the phone. Got it. Mom bought the phone 6 months ago. Got it. Out. How long has Mom had the phone? Got it. Mom has had the phone for 6 months. She bought 6 months ago. So she had the phone for 6 months. Right? Bought 6 months ago, so you had it for 6 months. Next one. Dad bought the belt last week. How long has Dad had the belt? Number 1. Go. How long has he had the belt? Say. Three words and change. Okay, listen. Has Dad had the belt? Has Dad had the belt? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Now look at this one. Has